Balancing your hormones in your 40s does not mean complicated recipes and hours spent in the kitchen. Small, consistent changes in what you eat can help you feel calmer, reduce menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and cravings, and support a healthy weight. And today I am sharing 5 balancing hormone meals that are delicious, quick to make, and perfect for busy midlife women. Hello, ladies. Welcome back to Healthy Her Midlife. I am Christine. I am a certified holistic nutritionist and health and wellness coach, and the creator of the blog healthyhermidlife.com. I help women 40 years and older boost their energy levels, balance their hormones, so they can feel more amazing again. If you are looking for natural solutions for midlife health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so I can see you each and every week. When I first started learning about hormone balance, I thought it meant I was going to have to give up some of my favorite foods. But once I figured out how to put together meals in a way that supported my blood sugar levels and my hormone levels, it became second nature. And I have never felt better. So here are the meals that I keep coming back to because they are simple, delicious, and they work. Why are foods such a big deal to our hormones? After 40, we become much more sensitive to blood sugar changes and inflammation. And these two things are going to really affect our hormone balance. And that means the foods that you choose to put on your plate are either going to help you feel better or make your symptoms worse. The key is to building your meals with the right balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and anti inflammatory foods to keep your hormones and your body in a steady state. So, here are the meals that I recommend. Number one, for breakfast, try overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Oats are going to give you steady energy. Chia seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, and berries are an antioxidant. The benefit of this meal first thing in the morning is it's going to boost your brain health and keep your blood sugar stable. And pro tip, you can make 3 or 4 of these overnight oats. Keep them in your refrigerator so they are ready to grab and go during busy weekday mornings. Meal number 2 is a Southwest veggie and lentil soup, and using my favorite appliance, the Instapot. This recipe is available on my website, but lentils are a great source of protein and fiber, and the recipe also includes avocado for healthy fats. And then you're adding colorful veggies for that antioxidant and anti inflammatory factor. The benefit of this meal is going to be balanced hormones, improved gut health, and it's very satisfying. Pro tip here is you can make this in the Instapot and you can have dinner done in 30 minutes. Check out the website for that recipe. My third go-to meal is a tofu stir fry with broccoli and brown rice. Tofu is full of phytoestrogens, and broccoli actually helps our estrogen support system as well. And brown rice is going to result in a slower carb burn. This is a quick and easy meal, especially if you are reaching for a frozen product like frozen rice, frozen broccoli. Cook the rice in the microwave and saute the broccoli on the stovetop as your tofu is stir frying. Add your favorite seasonings or sauces, and you've got a perfect, complete meal. The benefit of this meal is it's going to give you all of those phytoestrogens and proteins to help stabilize your blood sugar and keep your energy lasting longer. My fourth go-to meal is a chickpea salad wrap or sandwich. Chickpeas are a great plant protein and full of fiber, and greens are full of magnesium and other supportive minerals. And then lastly, the whole grain that you get from your wrap or your bread is going to give you a steady carb burn throughout the day. This is a great grab and go lunch type of thing for those busy afternoons when you want something healthy and do not want to hit a restaurant. You can make the filling ahead of time, and there is a recipe on the website for a chickpea salad as well. So I will post that link in the show description too. But you can make that filling ahead of time, save it in the refrigerator, and then the night before, assemble your wrap or your sandwich and package it up, and it's ready to go in the morning. And my last go to meal is a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables and a tahini dressing. Quinoa is a complete protein. The colorful veggies that you add are going to be anti inflammatory and full of antioxidants. And the tahini dressing is a healthy fat and a boost in calcium. And I do have a video on this channel for Buddha bowls that incorporate this same concept. You can put in quinoa as your base, add some leafy greens, add some roasted veggies, and put some tahini dressing on the top for a healthy fat. The benefit of this meal is it's very anti inflammatory and very satisfying. And as you're roasting veggies for this meal, you can roast some extra ones and save those for future meals. The easiest way to eat for hormone balance is to keep meals like this in rotation. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every week. Just mix and match the proteins, the veggies, and the healthy fats that you like into your meals, and you'll have endless options that'll work for you and your hormones and not against them. And if you are looking for a step by step plan that'll help you put this concept into action for healthy meals that you prefer, check out my free download. It's called the Midlife Metabolism Reset, and I have the link in the description for you to check that out. It's full of meal planning ideas, snack ideas, lifestyle ideas to help you feel more energized and more like yourself again. All right, ladies, that's all I have for you this week. Let me know in the comments, what meal are you looking forward to trying? And if you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and a share. And also subscribe to the channel so that I can share with you each and every week more great tips and advice for your midlife health and wellness. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week and some very satisfying hormone friendly meals. And I'll see you next week on Healthy Her Midlife.